What I'm getting right here. Let me let them know that I need 30 bags. Hold on.
They go straight back all the way back to where so do this story all the way back.
Alright, I need 25 bags of that dirt.
Topsoil?
Yeah.
And help loading.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And one more thing, do you guys have any pellets for like the rodents?
Yep. If you go through the house plant room,
Uh-huh.
it's like the rodent pellet for plants. It's 2 rooms back on the right or 3?
Yeah.
2 rows. Okay, thank you, huh? Okay. Y'all, they is so pretty up in here. Look at all the flowers. Look, y'all. Girl, I got to record this. Oh my God. I love coming here.
Yeah.
How long you been here? I haven't seen you.
Yeah, like a month.
Oh, okay. No wonder. Shoot. Oh, these are $4. These are cute. I think I'll get the yellow this time. Gosh, I could stay here all day. Let's go look at some flowers first, though. They had to go to work. No, it's just it.
Sorry, loading 45 bags of topsoil.
Oh, can I get what do you guys have manure? I need like
We have cow manure.
how many? How much is it? I need like maybe 4 bags.
3.
Oh, I'm so excited, gosh. Yeah, breakfast is a lot. I should have said forget that. No jelly. Ooh, I knew it. No freaking jelly. All right, y'all. I am here at Cousin getting my husband a sub. And then I'm going to grab him from work. And we're going to go home and I'm going to do the gardening. Thank you. We're just looking at a few things, but I noticed these. I might come back and get those, but I came for some tissue. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at they nail candles. Look at these, guys. These are cute. Oh my, I love this. Those are cute. How much are these? These are $3. And these are 5. They got some cute stuff. I got these already. But these are cute, right? All right, good morning, everybody. I am up early, about to get ready for the holiday.
Hi,
This is Elijah. Hey, I'm AJ.
I'm Mason.
Yeah, this is my grandson. And sprinkled with cheese on top and a little parsley. And these are going in the oven. I'm finna start the oven. And also I made something for my daughter. I had a little left over. You know, once you mix it and put everything in, you have something left. So this is for my big girl and her daughter. So she'll be taking this home. I done moved over here, guys, to the stove. I'm about to put my chicken tenders in there. Come on. Table. Y'all see that? Look at that.
I see it.
Twice baked potato. Come look. Cook these ribs. They real nice and tender, y'all. Give him a nice big potatoes, 2 rib bones, a burger. Look at that salad. 2 crispy chickens, and that twice baked potato with the grilled sauteed chicken in there. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday, and I'm too far back, of course. See you guys on the next one.